How to convert Ggives to CIMB Bank. Now, before you do this process, you have to ensure that your Gcash application is updated to the latest version. Just go directly to your Google Play Store and just tap update if there is one. It will automatically update by itself. Second thing that you need to do is ensure that your CIMB Bank is fully verified and fully set up. And if you have double checked that your CIMB Bank is verified already, then go to your Gcash application and just connect your CIMB Bank over to your Gcash. Now to transfer funds from your Ggives, just choose this logo right here, which is going to be transferring over from your local bank, and then just choose CIMB Bank, and you should be able to convert your Ggives to your CIMB Bank without any problems.